Hello, I am Kimberly Hauser Taylor. Welcome to my channel. I have decided here, as the spring is starting to spring forth, that I need to clean up my harp corner. It has gotten to be quite chaotic with all the moving and gigging that I've been doing. So I thought I would share with you. Our practice space is really important. And I believe in making it as an enjoyable an area as possible. So first, get rid of the harp. And I have accumulated some huge piles of music that I've always sometimes when I'm working, I have to go and say, I need to find that piece of music right now. Or I'm looking for something for a student, or something to help answer a question of somebody else that's come to me for advice, and that can result in piles of music. Plus, I need to sort through and find my parts for my next orchestra gig. They've gotten buried somewhere. Hopefully it's all in these piles. Yeah, I like to have my pretty things around me. I know some people like their practice area to be devoid of anything that quote-unquote distracts. Well, for me, I like things that I can gaze upon that make me feel relaxed and peaceful and are inspiring. Old harp strings from my big harp string changing. There we go. I am looking forward to getting a new window panel. Obviously, we had some work done on the house, and there just hasn't been a new window covering put up there on that little window behind me. But I just wanted to get this area nice and cozy so that I can work on ideas for more videos. If you like my channel and like what I am doing, I will be bringing harp content, cozy harp content, and practice, and in general, I like to do this more of a slow living lifestyle. I don't do well with lots of huge pressures on me all the time, which is part of why this got to be such a mess. As I'm approaching my 50th year, I have really been sitting and looking at myself and my world and how I live in it and going, is this really how I want to live? Is this really what I want to do? And I do know I want to play the harp. And I want to make music and art and bring beauty to people's days. And so I'm now probably hunting for my vacuum cleaner. You just saw me clean the rubber mat I keep down because I don't like practicing on carpet. First of all, I'll tear it up. And also, it's not a really great surface because it's not at all what you have when you're performing on stage. Another piece of string. And let's stop for some lovely vacuum cleaner noise. Well, maybe not yet. Where'd I go? There I am. Okay. Very rarely get back in here because there's a harp here. Glad I took an opportunity because my harp is still all swallowed up in its cover and its skirt. There we go. Freshly vacuumed. How nice. How do you like your practice space? Do you like it in the light, or do you like it in a private place away from everyone? Mine is in this lovely corner of our living room that gets some nice natural light, and I can look outside and see nature, and that just means a lot to me. Yeah, sometimes I get distracted by a squirrel, but I think that's what squirrels are for. Cleaning up all my little tchotchkes and bits of leftover holiday decor from ones that are long past. I mean, it's spring now. Come on now. This all area needs a freshening up. Yeah, I'm looking at myself and going, what can I do? What can I tweak to make my life better? I can see that I don't actually, as I was watching this video, really not liking how I moved. Going, I need to work on my motion, like how I move in the world. I've gotten stiff and breathless, and I want more vitality than that. So I am putting my little newly purchased houseplant friends in my practice space. Give me some nice plant energy. I haven't found some new pots for these yet, but really looking forward to having some. Not very long after I recorded this, I got a terrible little sinus infection or whatever. I've been sick, so it's nice to revisit this and go, hey, look, I started doing a thing. I started to clear out my life in this one little area, this important area to me. This is, after all, what I do, and I should take care of it. Here we come. Here she comes. Time to go bring in the piece de resistance, my harp. There we go. Cart built by my dad. And I don't use a boot. I've never used a boot cover on my harp because, honestly, when I got this harp, and there weren't boots. People didn't have boots. People didn't have these fancy padded transport covers. I had a dust cover that came with the harp. That's what I used until it eventually rotted away. I'm amazed this instrument is in as good a condition as it is, considering how much I have loved it. You can see where I've actually wearing the lacquer away from the instrument. It's been so long. Might as well dust that too. See, here I am using my happy little feather duster. I like it. It's in between the strings really well. Put the stool back. I have a back support pillow on mine. It really helps me putting in more practice. Don't end up having my back feel like it's being jammed into by my spine. Music stand. It's it's all coming together. Love how this light is coming into my space. My little side table, I like the fact that this is something I can fold up and put away if I need to, but I also could move it closer or further away. It's where I keep all my little practice tools, metronome, crayons, pencils, tuning key, that sort of thing. And here is my finished result coming up. I added some crystals as well, and some little battery-powered tea lights. Got my shoes ready to go. And over on the other side, here's my other little spot. Little plants moving in. And now we're going to move to the piles of, oh my God, I have to get these organized.